Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial of Jasper.AI to write a product review with you guys using AI copywriting. So I've logged into the Jasper.AI website, and you can basically sign up for a free trial using my link below and get 10,000 free words if you're brand new to Jasper.AI. There's a couple of different plans. There's a starter plan here and a boss mode plan. Boss mode obviously has more features, but I'm going to start off with a starter plan, the lowest version for $29 per month. Of course, you don't get charged until your free trial period ends. So if you don't like it, you can always cancel. So let's start the free trial right now, the most basic version, and let's try to do a free product review with Jasper.ai. So you can always change the number of words as well to increase your plan, but don't worry about that for now. Just start your free trial on the most basic plan, and let's get right into it. So you're going to get to this page where you're going to basically enter your credit card information. So go ahead and enter your credit card information. Again, you can always cancel before the free trial period of 5 days, so don't worry. All right, so after you've entered that, you're going to get to a homepage like this, where it's basically like, welcome to Jasper, and you have all these steps to get started. You can create an account, generate a paragraph, watch an introduction video. So I'm brand new beginner to Jasper, but I'm not going to waste my time with any of this. I just want to explore the different functions for the starter plan. So if I go to, I'm going to hit templates. Okay, templates, you have all these different templates, like if you want to do Amazon product description, if you want to do Amazon product features, blog posts, just lots and lots of really cool different templates that you can use to generate your AI copy. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. There's content improver. You could basically feed it some content and have AI try to improve it. There's like Facebook ads, Google ads, just overall tons of different templates for you to use to basically improve your copy using AI copywriting. All right, so let's play around with what else is here. I clicked on Summarizer. Summarizer looks like it's only available in boss mode, so it's not available in the starter plan. But that's okay. I'm sure there's tons of other great features in the starter plan that we could play with. I click on Documents. Looks like there's some things here in Documents. And then Recipes. Recipes looks really awesome. It looks like, they're teaching you what to do if you want to run like a Facebook ad, a product review blog post, hero's journey outline. Just really, really lots of different options, and obviously Jasper Art Unlimited. I think this is also available in the upgraded boss mode plan and not in the starter plan, but that's another function. So we went through templates, we went through dashboard, we went through pretty much all the tabs here. So let's get going, and let's actually try to do product review together. So let's go to the recipes tab, and I'm going to go to product review blog post. I'm going to open that up, and over here you're going to get video instructions on what to do if you want to do your product review blog post. It's basically teaching you how to write 10 times faster product review blog posts that could make your content more and more interesting. I'm not going to check out the video, but feel free to check it out. But it looks like below there's like a recipe content template that you want to use. You want to hit your seed, audience, product, feature, benefit. It looks like there's a couple of areas that they want you to do. So I'm gonna just hit run over here, and I'm gonna get this little template here. So you get seed, audience, product, feature 1, benefit 1, 2, 3. Write some headlines for a product review, and I basically wanted to generate a product review for one of the products that I'm talking about. So let's say, for example, that I'm just going to pick anything. Let's say I want to do a product review for the Beats by Dr. Dre headphones. So all I really want to do is say my audience is maybe like music lovers. I just noticed on the left there's also a place where you could put tone of voice. So you could put like funny, informative, serious. You could put whatever you want in the tone of voice, and the AI will actually match the tone in terms of your writing style. I'm just going to put informative, and then the content description is basically, I'm just going to put, let's say I'm just going to put, I want it to write a product review on the Beats by Dr. Dre headphones. So I'm just going to put that simply there. Audience, I'm just going to put, let's say music lovers. I want music lovers to, this is my audience. And then basically we need some features and benefits. I'm just going to quickly go on a website and try to find some quick features and benefits. All right, so I found a cool website where it basically reviewed the Beats by Dr. Dre, and it basically said about things that the reviewers liked and the reviewers didn't like. I'm just going to copy some of the things that the reviewers like into the features. For example, feature 1, amazing noise canceling technology. I just copied that from the website. Feature number 2, very comfortable. So I'm going to throw that into the AI template. And then feature number 3, let's go there. Maybe let's do wireless audio active noise cancellation. I'm going to copy that over there. And there we go. We have our 3 features, and then we need 3 benefits. So I'm going to just, probably come up with my own benefits here. Feel free to do anything you want. This is, of course, just an example, and we're doing the most basic version here. So I'm going to put feels comfortable on your ears. Benefit number 2 could be something, let me think, lightweight. And benefit number 3 could be amazing audio quality. And that's pretty much it. You can always play around with this template a little bit more. There's Jasper commands that you can learn a little bit more in depth, but I'm just going to run the command now. I want to see what type of, basically I'm going to say, can you write a product review? And I basically ran the command, and look at that. Jasper.AI just basically wrote a product review based off of my command. There it is. There's the product review. So let's take a look at how it did. So I'm just going to paragraph format this a little bit so it's a little bit easier for me to read. So it looks like they started off the Beats by Dr. Dre. So all right, so the Beats by Dr. Dre headphones are a high-end product that offers some of the best sound quality on the market. The headphones feature active noise cancellation, which means you can listen to your music without any outside interference. They are also wireless, so you can move around freely while listening to your tunes. The headphones are very comfortable and they fit snugly on your ears. Plus, they come in a variety of cool colors to suit your style. If you're looking for a top quality pair of headphones, the Beats by Dr. Dre definitely deserve consideration. Wow, not bad. Okay, guys, this is pretty good. Okay, I'm a copywriter as well, and I have to say, Jasper.ai did a great job. It was kind of simple, concise. They, used the features and benefits we told them about in this template over there, and they came up with a really quick, awesome review. So think about that. Like, if they can do that for many different products, all you basically do is like throw in the features and benefits, and boom, you got like a quick little product review in like half the time that it would take you to normally write a product review for yourself. And this is just one of the functions of Jasper.ai. There's just so much more. So absolutely love this tool. I just started using Jasper.ai today. I'm going to continue to explore it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I do have a free trial link below where you can also get 10,000 free words. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Just feel free to drop a comment below if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, if you want me to explore other copywriting programs. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.